viewers, I'm Judy from EagerLED Limited. Okay, let me introduce this GOB module. Okay, the GOB software festival module has a lot of advantage. For example, waterproof, and anti-collision proof. Okay, even I use my finger stretch it. Okay, there will be no problem at all, right? Okay, this one can prevent lamp base from being damaged. The main feature of this LED screen cam is really soft and flexible compared indoor fixed installation and outdoor fixed LED display. This one is really soft and it can be designed arbitrarily. Yeah, this one can be bent, it can be curved, it can be swung to any shape at unit. The modules like this one are all GOB flexible modules, and the customer plans into a flight plus curved LED screen, which is more visually beautiful. Okay, dear friend, want to know more details? Just tell me in the comments area. Okay, see you. Bye bye.